Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Indian real estate sector has witnessed high growth in the recent times with rise in demand for office as well as residential spaces. The private equity investments in India's real estate sector stood at $4.2 billion in 2023. The private equity investments in India's real estate sector stood at $3.4 billion in 2022. India's real estate sector saw a threefold increase in foreign institutional inflows, worth $26.6 billion during 2017 to 2022. Exports from CES reached $157.2 billion in FY23 and grew till 28% from $133 billion in FY22. In July 2021, the Securities and Exchange Board of India lowered the minimum application value for real estate investment trusts from 50,000 rupees $685 to Rs 10,000 to 15,137 to $205 to make the market more accessible to small and retail investors. Construction is the third largest sector in terms of FDI inflow. FDI in the sector, including construction development and activities, stood at $60.5 billion from April 2000 to March 2024. Some of the major investments and developments in this sector are as follows. Foreign investors pump around $4 billion yearly into Indian real estate, with a 20% YoY increase in foreign inflows in 2023. In 2023, luxury home sales in India priced at 4 crore rupees $481,927 and surged by 75%, doubling their share in total housing sales. In India's top 8 cities, housing prices rose 7% year-over-year due to strong housing demand supported by persistent purchaser demand and steady borrowing rates. The Indian real estate sector witnessed strong private equity investments of $1.9 billion in Q2 of 2023, demonstrating investor confidence in the market. According to the most recent investment report from Cushman & Wakefield, this was 63% higher than the previous quarter, Q1 of 2023, and 60% higher than the same time last year. In July 2023, Delhi NCR emerged as the third biggest city in the Asia-Pacific in having flexible office space stock, beating Beijing and Seoul, while Bangalore retained the top spot, according to real estate consultant CBRE. Transactions for office spaces in April to June 2023, which totaled 14.8 million square feet, represented the highest quarterly figure recorded since Q1 2021. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.